minified. Option B. Static resource files can be referenced by using the resource global variable instead of hard-coded IDs. Option C. Static resource files can be packaged into a collection of related files in a zip or jar archive. Option D. Static resource files do not count against an organization's quota of data storage. Option E. Relative paths can be used in files in the static resource archives to refer to other content within the archive. Correct answer is option B, C, and E. Next question is, a company has a native iOS app for placing orders that needs to connect to Salesforce to retrieve consolidated information from many different objects in a JSON format. Which is the optimal method to implement this in Salesforce? Option A. Apex REST Web Service. Option B. Apex SOAP Web Service. Option C. Apex SOAP Callout. Option D. Apex REST Callout. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, a company has a custom object sales demo request that has a lookup to an opportunity. It is required that a sales demo request record be created when an opportunity's probability is greater than 50%. What is the optimal way to automate this? Option A. Use an Apex trigger on opportunity. Option B. Build a flow on opportunity. Option C. Create a workflow on opportunity. Option D. Build a process on opportunity. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, a company represents their customers as accounts in Salesforce. All customers have a unique customer underscore number underscore C that is unique across all of the company's systems. They also have a custom invoice underscore C object with a lookup to account to represent invoices that are sent out from their external system. This company wants to integrate invoice data back into Salesforce so sales representatives can see when a customer is paying their bills on time. What is the optimal way to implement this? Option A. Ensure customer underscore number underscore C is an external ID and that a custom field invoice underscore number underscore C is an external ID and upsert invoice data nightly. Option B. Query the account object upon each call to insert invoice data to fetch the Salesforce ID corresponding to the customer number on the invoice. Option C. Create a cross-reference table in the custom invoicing system with the Salesforce account ID of each customer and insert invoice data nightly. Option D. Use Salesforce Connect and external data objects to seamlessly import the invoice data into Salesforce without custom code. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, an Apex trigger creates an order underscore C record every time an opportunity is won by a sales representative. Recently, the trigger is creating two orders. What is the optimal method for a developer to troubleshoot this? Option A. Set up debug logging for every sales representatives, then monitor the logs for errors and exceptions. Option B. Turn off all workflow rules, then turn them on one at a time to see which one causes the error. Option C. Add system.debug statement to the code and use the developer console logs to trace the code. Option D. Run the Apex test classes for the Apex trigger to ensure the code still has sufficient code coverage. Correct answer is option C.